Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 167 Rausler Road in Farmington.
This is a spectacular, updated to perfection property on an estate-sized lot.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This turnkey, ready-to-move-in first floor is just beautiful. With today's modern finishes featuring an open living and dining area with an accent shiplap wall. And a stunning white and bright kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a tile backsplash, and granite countertops with a breakfast bar. All with new wide plank flooring and a sliding glass door to the deck.
Enjoy peace and tranquility. The 3 spacious bedrooms and new bath are just beautiful.
The excitement and updates continue with this finished walkout lower level, with a living area or media room, a spacious laundry room, and a private owner's bedroom with double closets with barn doors, and an adjacent updated bathroom with a gorgeous tiled shower, a perfect serenity space.
This property, both interior and exterior, is totally updated with maintenance-free vinyl and stone siding, a newer roof, windows, and more.
Enjoy country living with a multi-level deck overlooking the sprawling yard and scenic setting. This property has easy access to Victor, Rochester, and Canandaigua with gorgeous Canandaigua Lake, the gateway to the amazing Finger Lakes region. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 167 Rausler Road in Farmington.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!